beautiful, beautiful colours. I'm so pleased with the way this has come out. I've been having so much satisfaction in my artwork over the last few weeks. It's been very, very good. And in this picture, it's the first time that I have used the Deco Art paint, the Deco Art gold paint in the Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold, and I'm impressed. It's really pretty. The shine on it is beautiful. I've got a few wee cells that have come through. I thought I'd do a bit of straw blowing, but wasn't happy with the result, so I just tilted that off. But I've still got the white and the blue, which is my phthalo blue from Montmartre, and just a regular white base. It's not my Jazz Art white, it is Art Master white, which is just a cheap white paint that I use from time to time, and I had some to use up, so I put it down. Right, so I've taken the picture off my Lazy Susan or spinner, and now I will bring it up closer to the light for you to see just how pretty those colours are. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to actually see the glimmer in the gold, but it is gorgeous. I'm just loving that. I love what I'm able to do just by blowing the paint around with a blow dryer, and that is another satisfying time doing some more of my artwork. So that's it for me for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. I'm doing a very short clip to add to my video of my picture now that it has dried, and how pretty it looks. The colours are beautiful, and that 24 karat Extreme Sheen acrylic paint is gorgeous. And when you consider all the different blues that have come out just by using that one phthalo blue, I am really happy with that picture, and I thought you might like to see it dried. Thank you.